So, today we're going to be unboxing the 4070. And I just want to show you this for comparison's sake. This is a AMD Radeon 6650 XT, right? Look at the size of this freaking box. Let me do it from this side. This box is 3 times the size of any other graphics card I have ever owned. Okay, I'm gonna start this off right away. And the funny thing about this is I've owned, a 30. Actually, no, I'll take that back. Not bigger box than a 4090. But for any 30 series graphics cards I've ever owned, this is a bigger box than all those cards. Wow. Okay, how do I even get this started? I guess I'm just gonna have to cut this thing. Like I said before, this is absolutely massive. Okay, so I think we should be good. Picked it up from Best Buy, so this thing is insanely massive. Okay. Oh my gosh. I gotta tell you one thing though. For the presentation, Nvidia, that's an A+. For the presentation of this bad boy, it's not that big. Okay. Like I said before, I have a 4090, so I was kind of wondering how big this GPU would be. And surprisingly enough, it's actually not that big. It's not that massive. What else do I get in the box? That's my question. I'm going to guess you get the power supply cable because the 40 series, a little bit different than 30 series. You are going to need a power adapter. Oh my gosh. There's actually a whole entire box here. Okay. Alright, let me see. How do I open this box? This is a question now. It says, okay, so this is just those two things. Opening this up with one hand is always great. Alright, so yep, it's just the power adapter, it looks like. It has the instructions right there. Nice. And that's it. So, realistically speaking, I feel like they could have saved so much, actual room in this box by not packing it like this. I get the point, presentation is always number one. And this is a 40 series graphics card, but still, I mean, look at that. I feel like they didn't have to, do this crazy packaging, but overall wise, gotta give it props where props are due. It's not bad. Peace out, guys.